The cross and star is not a new product. It looks like really ancient, really antique, okay? So the look, you know, is like distress, like lose the color, lose the borders. It's like a tumble look. So it has some details, you know, that is making the product really unique.
Reflectivity and the deep saturation of tones that comes with marrying those oxides with glaze. Biomimicry is just taking the Earth's natural processes, nature's natural processes, and figuring out a way to imitate them to create similar results. These guys are offering all kinds of different solutions as well as installation solutions for raised access flooring for exterior patios and things like that, and edge management systems as well. Profiles for all kinds of exterior hardscape solutions in one of the broadest ranges. And they're, surprisingly to me, they're one of the few producers of 2-centimeter paver material that does a wide array of lighter colors, light grays and whites, which in any kind of really sunny climate makes a really big deal because the thermal mass of a stone or tile is really high. So if it's a dark color, the solar gain, it winds up being really, really hot underfoot. So a lighter color in these products actually makes a big deal. We're using white strategically to push our variance, to push our value to a higher contrast, but it's very, very tight points.